Buying a used car is a smart decision, but every vehicle, no matter how reliable, needs care and attention to stay road ready. Over time, wear and tear are inevitable. That's why understanding how to handle used car repairs is key to keeping your ride safe, dependable, and efficient. When you own a used vehicle, preventive maintenance becomes your best friend. Regular oil changes, brake checks, and tire rotations don't just keep your car running smoothly, they save you from major repair bills later on. Common issues in used cars include worn brake pads, transmission troubles, and suspension or steering wear. You might also encounter electrical glitches or engine leaks, small problems that can become serious if ignored. Staying proactive helps you catch these early and keeps your car in top shape. But beyond knowing what to fix, choosing where to fix it matters most. The right repair shop can make all the difference. Look for certified, experienced mechanics who offer transparent pricing, honest recommendations, and warranties on their work. At Perris Auto Repair Center, we take pride in exactly that: expert service, clear communication, and a commitment to your safety. Modern vehicles are complex machines with advanced electronics and diagnostic systems. That's why professional inspections are so valuable. With the latest diagnostic tools, our team identifies issues fast, saving you time, stress, and unnecessary costs. Weather can also affect your car's performance. Here in Southern California, heat can strain engines, weaken batteries, and lower tire pressure. Regular fluid checks and cooling system inspections are essential for keeping your vehicle ready for the road ahead. If your car begins showing serious signs of trouble, like grinding brakes, smoke, or leaks, don't wait. Addressing issues early prevents accidents and costly damage. And when repair costs start outweighing your car's value, our technicians can help you make the right decision: repair or replace. At Perris Auto Repair Center, we believe in sustainable, long-lasting car care. Every repair, every tune-up, and every inspection helps extend your car's life, saving you money and reducing waste for a cleaner planet. So whether you need a simple oil change, a complex repair, or just peace of mind on your next drive, trust Perris Auto Repair Center to keep your used car reliable, safe, and road ready.
Perris Auto Repair Center, dependable service you can trust. Contact at 951-943-2677 and experience dependable service you can trust for all your used car repairs and maintenance needs.